Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin. It's another beautiful day here in Goa, and right now I am in Sangolda. So I've started this tour from this restaurant called Pink's by Hoy, and as you can see right now, the weather is very good. It's overcast. It did rain a little bit yesterday in some parts of Goa, but unfortunately in Kalangut, I don't know, the rains have disappeared from Kalangut for some reason. Anyway, I had passed by this beautiful area. As you can see, there's like greenery everywhere. On the left as well, there are fields. On the right as well, there are fields. So when I was heading towards Salvador do Mundo, I had passed by this area, and I just wanted to show you this area because of the beautiful scenery it offers. And on the right here, as you can see, there's another restaurant called Goan Spice. We had the food at Goan Spice. It was quite good, quite okay, but I would not say they are one of the best. I don't know this location, this outlet, what their rating is really. And talking about things by Hoy, the restaurant is in a Portuguese villa, but the rates are over the roof, guys. If you've been there, let me know your experience, because paying 500 and 600 rupees for one portion is a little too much. Look at this, look at the fields here on the left. Lot of pigeons there. They are nibbling on some seeds, maybe insects, I don't know, but this looks like paddy fields. And this straight road will take us towards Mapsa. And the last time when I had come, I had taken this right, so I'm going to do the same thing today as well, because there are some lovely places that I can show you ahead. And by the way, this straight road will go towards the highway, and then from there you can go to many other places. Just look at this. So while riding the bike, the weather is just perfect. It is not hot at all. I mean, I'm not sweating at all. The weather really is very good. And as we always mention in our videos, as you can see, the lady who passed by in front of us is wearing a helmet, and I'm sure she's carrying her license as well. I hope so. So if you are in Goa, please do not drink and drive. Very important. By the way, there is checking going on at many places, and AI cameras have been activated. So if you are a tourist or even if you are a local, please note that the AI cameras have been activated. You will get fined for not wearing a helmet, for not wearing seat belts. If you are talking to your better half while you are in the car, you're going to get fined for that as well. If you're going to drive on the wrong lane, drive or ride, whatever. So there are many fines that will be imposed. In my opinion, yes, it's very good, because when there are no fines, people take all these things for granted, and that's when you'll come across very nasty accidents. So yeah, I do support this rule, but what I don't support is roads like this. We need better roads. Although the roads in most places in Goa have been quite good so far, the roads have survived the onslaught of the monsoons. But yeah, there are some patches like these in some areas, the remote areas mostly, where you'll find potholes. Okay, now we've reached a place where there are small houses. There was a colorful temple that just passed by, but again it's mostly fields here, and this road will take us towards the highway. There in the distance you can see the highway, and I just saw a big squirrel or something cross the road, but it was in the distance. I don't know, the video has captured it. And this area is called Socorro. Yeah, so these are like different lanes. What we will do is we will get into one of these lanes. Yeah, let's take this right, because there's a highway there ahead, and I don't really want to go towards the highway. This is my first time actually entering these lanes. So yeah, let's just explore and see what's there over here. You can hear some very nice birds, and as you can see here, small houses, very narrow lanes, very peaceful area, very nice area. Where does this take us? This actually took us towards a dead end. what's there over here? Dead end again. So what we are going to do now is head back on the same road where we came from, and then let me just take you on the straight road that will take you towards Mapsa. Now we are back on the same road, and this road will take us towards Mapsa. There are some shops here, one chemist shop on the left, and again it's mostly fields on either side. So if you love greenery and if you love nature, if you are passing by this place and if you want to go towards Mapsa, I highly recommend this place. Look at this, very nice. Goa during the monsoons looks very beautiful, especially on days like this when it's not at all sunny, when the weather is overcast and there's breeze. I'll just let this guy go. I don't know what's in hurry, but yeah, some people are in a hurry for no reason. Look at that in the distance. I hope you saw that in the video. So many birds there flying around. Yeah, so I was talking about AI cameras, so please be very cautious and careful, and make sure that you always carry your helmet, carry your license. And what you just saw in the video, some people overspeeding, do not do that, guys. Do not do that, because in some cases, you know what will happen is you will come across something that is really very unexpected. Like I've had situations where snakes and mongoose and dogs, cats and cows, everything you can imagine, people also, obviously cars, bikes, can cross your path, and it can happen all of a sudden. So make sure that you do not drive or ride fast. And when someone is about to cross my path, as you just noticed, I try to honk right, you know, like not at the end, at least a few meters away from them, so they get the hint that, you know, I'm going to go past them. So yeah, that's a good practice to follow. And during the daytime, if you're putting your indicators on, please make sure that you give out hand signals as well, because you never really know whether the person will be able to see your hand signal, whether to see your indicator or not. Okay, so this right will take us towards Mapsa, and we are going to avoid this right and take this straight road here. And I think this is the road that connects from Giri to the highway, but really I don't know. This is my first time in this lane, although the part behind maybe I think I have passed by, but yeah, let's explore this lane as well. So even me, guys, like I keep saying, I have gone to so many different places, but even me, I try to explore new places because some of these lanes are new for me as well. What area this is, I don't know, but let's just keep riding. Even this area, as you can see here, very neat, very clean. Okay, this is Giri as well, and this is so important, guys. If you keep your villages clean and if you keep your surroundings clean, it's very important for tourism to thrive in Goa. Not only in Goa, but in our country, in India. We have such beautiful places, we have scenery like in so many places, and we have such a diverse landscapes. We have everything. We have the deserts, we have snow, we have the ocean, we have everything, guys. But what we are really lacking is cleanliness in many places, and these places really are an example for so many places in India and in the world as well. Just look at this. If your surroundings are clean, it feels so good to just ride and, you know, go around such places. So please give a lot of importance to cleanliness. Is very important. And yes, now again some beautiful winding roads, a little shop here, and just look at the villas here, guys. Some of them are so creative with their houses. They put some small plastic containers for plants. Very nice creative houses you'll get to see in many cases. Okay, again fields and narrow roads. So many of you guys have asked for longer videos and trust me, if I can make videos that are like 2-3 hours long, I would definitely do that. But the problem is, while editing and while exporting, it takes a long time. That's the reason why I prefer to keep the videos to like 15 minutes or max 40 minutes. Lately I posted a video on Diwar and that was for an hour and you guys really loved it, so thank you so much. And by the way, that reminds me to thank our newest member on the channel, Karthik Theodore. Thank you so much for becoming a member on our channel. Look at this lovely orange Tata Nano with this beautiful house in the background. Yeah, so Karthik, thank you so much for becoming a member on our channel, and I also want to thank our existing members, Bambina, Dane, Michael and Savio. As of now we have 5 members on our channel and a lot of viewers. We've crossed lakhs of views in just the last 28 days, and even the previous 28 days we had crossed 1 lakh views. So thank you so much. Wow, look at this house, look at this. This is picture perfect. This has Goa written all over it. Palm trees, beautiful painting, beautifully painted house, clean. Thank you for keeping Giri village clean. Wow. So these are the kind of rides that really make me so happy, because I've never been to this area and it's just so damn gorgeous. Like every place looks different and every place has its own charm, scenery. Look at this. Look at the fields here on the left. So even the trees and everything have changed here a little bit. Very nice picturesque road, very nice road, no potholes here, very good to ride on. And if you are enjoying these videos, please leave a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover more places. Yes, next week I will try my level best to visit Sharao. Wow, such nice houses. I mean I think if I pay attention to the houses, I might lose balance of the bike. Really very nice, good houses over here. Okay, someone mentioned in the video that you guys could not get a glimpse of the houses and everything properly, so I tried to cover everything, the roads, the houses, the surroundings. So I hope this video has done justice to that. Laika's Cafe. Oh, there's a Laika's Cafe here as well. Have we reached close to Parra? Where have we reached? Parra, yes, we have reached Parra. And right now I'm feeling dyslexic, if that's the right word. I think the right will take us towards, the right will take us towards Kalangut. I really don't know. Okay, now I know where I am, because we are so used to going towards the right, towards Mapsa. I got confused a little bit. I knew that while going to Mapsa from Kalangut, I get to see Laika's Cafe on the right. And yes, so let's just ride a little more and see what's there, what lies ahead of us. So locals here out with their shopping bags, probably going to the market to get some fish and vegetables, going out for their grocery shopping. And today is a Saturday, right? Yeah, today is a Saturday. So today was a good day for people in Kalangut and nearby areas to visit the Saturday market in Kalangut, which is close to the St. Alex Church. I think there's a post office there as well. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that. It's a very informative video if you want to get your grocery shopping done and buy some fish and all of that. Saturday market is a very good option. The video has crossed more than 5,000 views lately. Look at this house. Wow, just gorgeous. Simple painting of white and grey, but looks very nice. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this one, and where am I heading I don't know, but I'll just keep riding straight and try to explore more of this area, and in case if I come across some nice place, I'll make another video of that as well. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.